When it comes to manufacturing, where precision is not just a goal but a necessity, there's a powerful ally in the quest for perfection. MeasurLink from Mitutoyo. MeasurLink is the premier Mitutoyo statistical process control software suite. Designed to capture and analyze measurement data from your quality control instruments, facilitating real-time insight and ensuring your products meet the stringent quality standards. The latest version of MeasurLink 10 features optical character recognition or OCR tolerance extraction to eliminate the cumbersome process of manually interpreting complex drawings to set tolerances. MeasurLink 10 automates this critical step, transforming how you approach measurement, data analysis, and inspection. Experience unparalleled productivity gains and workflow acceleration. MeasurLink 10 not only automates tolerance extraction, but also aligns measurements flawlessly with design specifications, virtually eliminating transcription errors for unparalleled productivity gains and workflow acceleration. But there's even more. With MeasurLink 10, you can generate comprehensive reports featuring extracted tolerances, measurements, and quality data, enabling informed decision-making and adherence to industry standards. Adapting to MeasurLink 10 is as smooth as it gets, thanks to its seamless compatibility with your current quality control ecosystem. Say goodbye to the mundane and embrace innovation with MeasurLink 10. Transform your quality control processes, reduce human error, and ensure your products meet the highest standards. Visit Mitutoyo webpage to learn more about MeasurLink 10 and take the first step towards revolutionizing your quality control processes and step into a new era of manufacturing excellence. Your path to precision starts here with Mitutoyo.